You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type or shape of pasta. We're going to be looking at how to say more names from Italian cuisine. From Italy, too many people get wrong as well. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Alright, so let's break down the different pronunciations. In Italian, in Italy, people say it as fettuccine, fettuccine, because you have a double T, it makes the T longer, and you have a double C, which is a ch sound that is longer as well. Fettuccine, fettuccine, if you want to sound a bit more genuinely Italian. Now, in English, it is often and somewhat correctly pronounced as fettuccine, fettuccine. In English, fettuccine. In Italian, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Stay tuned. I'll see you there. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.